Dear brothers and sisters, the most normal way in which God, through Jesus, enters our lives is in the sacraments. And it's the Catholic religion, church, which has 7 sacraments. It's the only religion which has 7 sacraments, which help us to build our relationship with God, to make our life meaningful. And today's gospel shows the true nature of the sacraments. A woman touches Jesus' garment with faith, and she is healed of hemorrhage. She's been bleeding for many years. No one could cure her. But she said, if only I could touch the tassel of the cloak of Jesus, I will be healed. A man pleads with Jesus to come and heal his daughter. Powerful man. He had authority. He could call his servants, do this, do that. But he could not heal his own daughter. But he had faith in Jesus. He said, Jesus, please, it's my only daughter. Heal her. Raise her up. What Jesus did for these two, He is more than anxious to do it for us. And when we go to Jesus in our crisis, in our needs, plead to Him, saying in our hearts, if I can only touch the tassel of His cloak, I shall get well. So in the sacraments, the mercy and love of Christ are made flesh. Through them, He enters into our lives now and lives with us. The Lord is kind and merciful. And that's what we see in the first reading. He appears to Jacob. Jacob sees a ladder going from the earth to heaven and heaven to earth. The angels coming down, the saints, the people of God going to God, and God comes to us. It's only through faith God gives the opportunity to us to be with us, and He has promised us that He will be till the end of times with us if we relate to Him through the sacraments to get the meaningful life we want. So in the sacrament of Eucharist, we encounter Jesus, we receive Him, and then throughout the day, He's there with us, and He helps us in times of crisis and difficulties.